There is a society in which sons have no fathers, grandfathers have no grandchildren, daughters are more related to their sisters than to their own children. This is the society of the humble honeybees, which reproduce by a crazy sex determination system called Haplodiploidy. Let's break this word down.
Ploidy refers to how many sets of chromosomes an organism has. Humans are diploid because we receive one chromosome of each homologous pair from each parent. We have two sets of 23 chromosomes with a total of 46. This is diploidy, and it's notated 2N because a diploid cell has two sets of chromosomes. All human chromosomes in cells that are not gametes, then, can be summarized by the formula 2N equals 46.
Now we understand what diploid means in haplodiploidy of honeybee reproduction. Female honeybees are diploid just like humans, only they have 32 chromosomes, 16 from each parent. Females are diploid, males are haploid. Haploidy is an amazing feature of these creatures. Let's go back to the birth of a honeybee.
The queen is larger than the worker bees, and her only job is to lay eggs. She can control whether she lays an unfertilized egg or a fertilized egg. Fertilized eggs develop into a queen or a worker depending on the diet they are fed by the worker bees. Now, how honeybees can have sons with no fathers? A male drone bee hatches from an unfertilized egg in a process called parthenogenesis, meaning virgin birth. This means he receives genetic data from only his mother, and his chromosomes can be notated N equals 16. This has really cool implications.
For example, consider the daughters and sons of a queen. Her sons receive chromosomes only from their mother, and so they are genetically identical to her. All of a drone bee's sperm is identical. When a daughter is born, she receives chromosomes from her mother and her father. But here's the amazing part. If you have siblings, on average, you share 50% of their DNA because you each received a random combination of half your mother's DNA and half your father's DNA. Honeybee females are 50% related to their daughters, but honeybee sisters with the same father receive identical sperm, and this means they are 75% related to one another, more related to each other than they are to their own children. Some scientists theorize that this is a clue into the evolutionary origins of altruism, because why would a worker bee choose to care for her sisters while sacrificing her own reproductive interests? Perhaps it's a better way to spread her genetics. Think about these amazing relationships the next time you're near flowers and find a busy honeybee foraging for her family.